Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower last week. You had beans leading the way to the downside. They've been mixed so far this morning. We had some private analysts come out with crop and yield expectations on Friday. Essentially for yields, the consensus is around the 161, 162 area for corn and around the 43 area for soybeans. So obviously that's a big up from where we were on the September USDA report. We've been 2 months without data on that. We'll get a release on that this Friday at 11 a.m. Central. But that's pretty much around where the private analysts are as far as expectations. Corn crop size is over 14 billion bushels, and then soybean crop size is over 3.2 billion bushels. So range estimates out there, it's all pretty tight-knit in those areas. As far as soybeans, with the demand that we've been having, we pretty much need a yield of 43 bushels per acre or better and a production over 3.2 billion bushels to satisfy current demand. If not, we could see a sharp rally in the market due to the fact that demand is there. We had a good crop, it's good quality, and it's in demand. So if we don't have the beans that we think we do now and that's priced into the market, if that's shown differently on this report on Friday, that could really send the market lower. Moving forward today, markets have been mixed. I had some soybean deliveries on Friday. Also got the Goldman roll coming up. So that could pressure prices ahead of Friday's report. Obviously, we'll have some numbers for you on Friday, or before Friday, for the WASDE estimates, what the trade is thinking compared to September, because it has been 2 months since we've got our last report. So the market's been speculating for quite some time on what the size of the crop is. So a lot of folks are looking forward to this to get some hard data on what the USDA thinks is out there or has been harvested. So if you want the specifics on the analyst reports from Friday, log over to grainanalyst.com, go to the daily report, and you can view it there. Otherwise, that's all we've got for today. Have a great day, and let us know if you have any questions.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.